Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is D-mass rule. D-mass rule. Yes class, we come across the certain situation when more than one operation is to be performed. Certain problems may contain all four operations together. So when a problem involves all the operations, that is plus, minus, multiply and divide. So in that case, we are required to use the agreed formula, that is denoted by D mass. Yes, let's understand this. Here in the D mass, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Class, if any problem is given or any question is given in which we are having all these operations, so we are required to first solve the division. After solving the division, we will solve multiplication. At third step, after multiplication, we will solve addition, and after solving addition, at last we have to solve subtraction. So this is the D mass rule. Once again I am repeating, D mass rule says that firstly the division should be solved, then multiplication, then after that addition, and at last we have to solve subtraction. Right, now let's solve few problems related this. Yes, here one question is given to us, 54 minus 18 divided by 6 multiply 3 according to the D mass rule. Class, first of all what we have to solve? Division. What we have to solve? Division. So now I'm going to tell you the few steps how to solve a question. Just remember those steps and you will never be able to do the question wrong. See here. The first step is, as everyone knows, according to the D mass rule, we have to divide first. So the first step is underline the digits in which we have to do the divide or in which we have to do the division. Here I have underlined 18 divided 6. First step is we will underline and we will write the answer. Yes class, when we will divide 18 by 6, so what will be the answer? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. So when we will divide 18 by 6, so we will get the answer 3. This is our first step where what we have to do? We have to solve the division. And while solving the division, first of all we will underline it, and after doing underline उसका आंसर हम उसके नीचे लिख देंगे. Right. Second step is copy all the numbers from the question. Here at the first number is 54, so I have copied 54. All the sign also we will copy. Minus is here, so in this also we will write minus. But we will not write the underlined digit. 18 divide 6 we have already solved, तो हम इस underlined वाले numbers को नहीं लिखेंगे. Now at last what is left? Multiply 3. So I have written multiply 3. This is my third step. Clear everyone? Sorry, it was the second step. We will copy the numbers from the question. Right? Now, let's move to the third step. Yes, what we have to do? After division, we have to do multiplication. So, we will underline the multiplication numbers. The two numbers which we have to multiply, we will underline those numbers. And we will write their answer below that. 3 threes are 9. So I have written 9 here. And you know this rule everyone, that whatever is left और जितने भी digits या numbers रह गए, we will copy them same. 54 ऊपर था, so I have written 54. Minus was there, so I have also written minus. But जो underlined numbers होते हैं, we are not required to write those, so I have not written. उनके place पे जो multiply करने के बाद 9 आया था, I have written only that. Now, what we have to do, class? We have to do addition, but you can see there is no plus. So in that case, if any of the operation is not there, so we will leave that operation and we will move to the next. So after multiplication, we will go to subtraction. Why? Because in this question, addition is not there. So after doing multiply, directly we will go to subtraction. So hence we have to do the subtraction. So first of all, we will underline those numbers which are involved in subtraction. 54 minus 9. I told जिसको हम underline करते हैं उसका आंसर उसके नीचे लिखते हैं. So 54 minus 9 is equal to 45. Hence, this is our correct answer. Am I clear, everyone, with this question? Yes, to ensure that ki or to make our concept strong, let's move to the question. Next question. Yes. Next question is 8 multiply 4 minus 9 plus 64 divide 16. Here you can see all 4 mathematical tools are there which we used for our calculation, or all basic operations are there. So we will use our DMAS rule. According to this rule, first of all we have to solve the division. First of all we have to solve division. So wherever the division is there or the numbers involved in the division, we will underline those. Clear? Then I have underlined 64 divided by 16. I told always, I used to tell you that after doing underline, we will write the answer below that. Yes, in the table of 16, we have 64 or not? Yes, 16 fours are 64. So I have written 4 here. Our next step is after doing division, all those numbers or the sign which are there in question, we will copy the same. 8, 8, multiply, multiply, 4, 4, minus, minus, 9, 9, plus, plus. But you remember, class, we never copy the underlined numbers. So instead of that, we have written here 4. Now, first step is clear, that is division. Our second step is what we have to do. We have to do the multiplication. So to do the multiplication, we have to underline those digits or the numbers which are involved in multiplication. Yes, you can see here 8 and 4 are involved in multiplication. So we will underline them. Yes, 4 8s are or 8 4s are. Who will tell? 8 4s are 32. So instead of writing 8 multiply 4, I have underlined them, and instead of that, I have written their directly answer, that is 32. And you remember always the rest of the numbers and the sign we will copy. See here, minus, minus, 9, 9, plus, plus, 4, 4. Clear, everyone? Yes, now let's move to the third step, that is addition. Now we have to add. See here, learn first of all one thing. When we are not having any sign before a number, when we are not having any sign before a number, so we always use plus sign there. We always use plus sign there. As 32 was not having any sign, so I have put plus in front of that. Minus 9, 9 is of minus and 4 is of प्लस. बच्चे किसी भी नंबर के आगे उसके जो साइन होता है, वी यूज टू थिंक और वी यूज टू एग्री ऑन दिस पॉइंट कि वो साइन उस नंबर के लिए होता है. एज यू कैन सी माइनस इज देयर, सो वी विल कंसिडर माइनस इज फॉर 9. हियर प्लस इज देयर, सो वी विल कंसिडर प्लस इज देयर फॉर 4. Clear? Now after doing multiplication, I told you we have to do the addition. Addition means plus. प्लस का साइन किस किस के आगे है क्लास? एक तो 32 के आगे और एक 4 के आगे. सो वी विल प्लस देम. 32 +4. Why I have done plus before? पहले मैंने प्लस क्यों किया? देर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड इट, दैट इज वी हैव टू डू द एडिशन बिफोर सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो पहले हम ऐड करेंगे, और किन नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे? जिनके आगे प्लस है. Here I have taken 4 because in front of 4 plus was there. In front of 32 plus sign is there. I have considered, because when no sign is there, we consider plus sign should be there. Yes, plus. So 32 was of also plus, and 4 also. When I have done plus करने के लिए बच्चे we have to underline them. I have underlined and I'll write the answer directly. 32 plus 4. Yes, it will be 36. And remember, rest digits we will copy. They should be same. Minus, 9. Yes, at last what we have to do? We have to subtract. And to do the subtraction, we have to underline the numbers which are involved in subtraction. Yes, we will underline 36 and 9. And finally, we will subtract them and our answer will be 27. Am I clear, everyone? Yes, this is the only way to do these type of the questions. I hope so. The concept of D mass is clear to everyone. And in the next video, we will move further. So till the time, take care and bye everyone.